I bought this wool pressing mat because I needed something non-slip to iron my sewing projects. I had a foam one, but I didn't like it because it literally disintegrated in the heat here. So I picked up this one, and it is made out of New Zealand wool. It comes rolled up like this. Now I have used it, so I don't have the actual packaging on the outside. I love it. I have been using it for 6 months now. It's amazing. Let me show you how it works. So let's see it in action. I'm going to iron a few different things for you. If you need to, you can stick your pins right into the board. You can see how it holds it steady. You can't really see very well on the on the black, but to show you how it grips, this is just a simple piece of cotton fabric, and it really holds on to it. See how it just doesn't slip at all. Another little piece of cotton fabric with, lots of different corners. Yep, as you can see, it's really holding onto it. This is a piece of faux suede, really flimsy stuff, and it's keeping hold of it pretty well. Now here's a piece of satin, definitely hard to keep from slipping around on a mat, but there you go, all done. Now this is a piece of lining. It's really lightweight and extremely slippery. You can see how it just slips around, and carefully, but definitely able to iron that without an issue. So no pins needed. And another cool thing about this mat is when it's dirty, you just take a lint roller and it cleans it right up. Look, good as new. I love this for my sewing studio. It has a dedicated table that it stays on right next to my sewing table, and then I can just slip it down behind if I need the room. It is wonderful for those little craft projects. Maybe you don't want to set up a full ironing board. I absolutely love this for my sewing studio. It can reside on the table next to my sewing machine for quick pressing of seams, and it holds on, to the little things, which is really important for craft pressing. And it comes in different sizes, so depending on the size of your table, or if you just don't want to set up a big ironing board in your house, perfect for your workspace.